to Taiwan Mandarin with Mavis. Today we're doing something short but powerful, listening practice with real Taiwanese Mandarin. I'll guide you through a natural clip, break it down, and help you train your ears step by step. I'll play a short Taiwanese Mandarin conversation. Try to listen carefully and catch as much as you can. Don't worry if it feels fast. Just focus on the tone, rhythm, and any familiar words.
你明天有空吗？要不要一起去吃那家卤肉饭？我好像要加班耶，不然后天嘞。
Okay, did you catch it? Let's break it down together. Here's what they said slowly. A. 你明天有空吗? A is a casual way in Taiwanese Mandarin to say, hey, 你 is you, 明天 is tomorrow. 有空 literally means have free time. It's a common way to ask if someo's available. Ma is a question particle that turns it into a yes or no question. 要不要一起去吃那家卤肉饭? 要不要 plus an action is a very natural way to invite someone to do something with you. 那家卤肉饭 means that braised pork rice shop. 卤肉饭 is a very classic Taiwanese dish, rich, savory, and super popular. 我明天好像要加班耶. Ho is a sigh. It can show frustration or disappointment. 我 is I, 明天 is tomorrow. 好像 means seems like or I think. It's soft and polite. 要 means to need to or to have to do something. 加班 means to work overtime. 耶 is a particle that adds a casual, expressive tone at the end. 不然后天嘞. 不然 literally means if not, but it's usually used to offer another option. 后天 is the day after tomorrow. 嘞 is a question particle that means what about. So 后天嘞 means what about the day after tomorrow. This way of speaking is super natural in Taiwan. Casual, short, and full of softening words like 好像 and 不然. Now let's listen to the whole thing again and see how much more you can understand this time.
你明天有空吗？要不要一起去吃那家卤肉饭？我好像要加班耶，不然后天嘞。
Pop quiz! What does 不然后天嘞 mean? A. I don't want to go. B. What about the day after tomorrow? C. Let's cancel the plan. It's B. What about the day after tomorrow? Great job! If you like this kind of listening breakdown, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. You can also replay this video for a few times. Repetition really helps build your ear. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, 下次见。